Hey guys, today I'll show you how to create a dashboard in Monday.com. First, in your workspace, click the blue plus button next to the workspace name, then select Dashboard. Next, enter your dashboard name and choose whether your dashboard will be main, which is public, or private. Public dashboards are visible to everyone in your account, while private ones are only visible to invited members. Click Create Dashboard to proceed. After creating the dashboard, connect the boards you want to pull data from. Use the Board Select window to tick the checkboxes of the boards you want to include. Then add widgets. Click Add Widget on the dashboard. Pick the widget type like chart, numbers, Gantt, or etc. Use the three-dot menu on each widget to access its settings and configure it to pull the data you want and how you want to display it. Finally, review or rearrange your widgets. You can turn on or off live data via the three-dot menu on the upper right of the window, so the dashboard updates in real time or refresh manually if needed. And that's how you create a dashboard in Monday.com. Thanks for watching.